Hello and welcome to this series of 5 stocks in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I would try to share the 5 most interesting stocks according to me in second week of March 2021. So let's get started. So the first stock that I would like to share with you is India Mart, and my analysis would be really simple. It would be based on exponential moving averages. So if you don't know EMA at the moment, what you need to do is go to the indicator tab in trading view. So you can go to the indicator tab in trading view and you can type here moving average exponential. So by default it gives you the exponential moving average based on the previous 9 candles. So what you can do is go to settings and switch it on to 21 or 50 accordingly. So we will be taking two moving averages which are very important, which is 21-day EMA and 50-day EMA. Okay, so I'll load the indicators. So now you can see that India Mart is in a very interesting zone. So what has really happened? From the Corona times, this stock has gained a lot of momentum. It has also taken support on 21-day EMA multiple times, as you can see here. And now it has finally broken the 21-day EMA, and now it is on course to break 50-day EMA as well. If I have to draw the support and resistance lines for this stock, it would look something like this. The next important support lies at 7295. Also, I would like to show you the 100-day EMA as well. So the 100-day EMA is somewhere around 6900 rupees or so. A lot of activity in this stock is fueled by the competitor Just Dial getting a lot of new business. So please keep an eye on India Mart. This can really be a good, interesting buy opportunity in this stock. So if it comes at 100 EMA, I would actually buy this stock, but I am right now in a wait and watch situation. So I'm being patient, but this stock is on my watch list. Okay, so the next interesting stock that I would like to share with you is Havells. So Havells also, as you can see from the Corona times, it has taken support multiple times on 21-day EMA. As you can see on this blue line, this is the 21-day EMA line. So once or twice it has broken the 21-day EMA and taken support on 50-day EMA. So now it is in very important zone as it has already broken the 21-day EMA and it's going towards the 50-day EMA. There is a very important zone or support point that lies at 1033. So if I have to buy this stock, I would ideally buy half quantity at the 50-day EMA and the other half if it goes further. So this can also be a very good value addition to your long-term portfolio. The next stock that I would like to talk about is Naukri or InfoEdge, and this is again a very bullish stock. As you can see that from Corona times, it has taken support multiple times on 21-day EMA and 50-day EMA as well, and it is kind of in a zone right now. As you can see that it is trading inside this box. So just before the budget was going to be announced, it fell a lot on the 29th of Jan, but the volumes were not convincingly enough for this stock to fall further, and it immediately made a recovery back again to its very important resistance point. So this 5552, it has never been able to give closing above 5552, and this is a very important resistance point for Naukri. Again, this stock has broken the 21-day EMA and is taken support on the 50-day EMA. And again, it is on a very good support line. If it breaks this support line, it will fall further to the levels that we had on the pre-budget day. Now again, this is a very good stock for your long-term portfolio because Naukri has invested a huge amount in this very well known startups like Zomato, and they have a lot of different online portals like Jeevan Sathi, 99 Acres, and all of these portals. So this is a very good stock if you ask me, and I'll always buy this stock on dips. So the next stock that I would like to talk to you is the Kpit Tech. As you can see that the Kpit Tech, this stock was trading inside a rectangle, inside a zone, and the lower support line was at 127 rupees and the upper resistance line was at 147 rupees. As you can see that it tried to break this level on 4th of Jan and there were huge volumes, but it couldn't break, so it fell on 21-day EMA line. Then it again tried to break on 24th of Feb. Again, the volumes were not convincingly enough to break this barrier. So it again fell on the 21-day EMA. But this time on 8th of March and 9th of March, it has broken the resistance point and with huge volumes. As you can see, this is the biggest candle recently, right? So it has broken with huge volume. So ideally, you should buy this stock when this comes back to retest at this level again. So if it doesn't comes back to retest, then you need to actually wait further for the confirmation. So I would ideally wait for 3-4 more days for this stock to stabilize in terms of volume, because even this stock has been fueled by a lot of news, as a lot of YouTubers are recommending this stock from the EV industry. So this is also very a news-filled stock, and so that is why any breakout needs to be retested if it is a genuine breakout. The next stock I would like to talk to you is Route Mobile. As you can see, it's a very bullish stock. It was listed last year for an IPO around 385 rupees, and fortunately I got this in IPO. And if you see the trend of this stock, it is very bullish stock. It has actually grown like 4 times of its initial IPO value. Now the interesting thing about this stock is it gave a breakout on 11th of Feb from this resistance point. Okay, and it went on, and now it is coming back to its 21-day EMA. So it has taken support on the 21-day EMA. So now what lies further with this stock? So to know what can happen further with this stock, I would like to draw another indicator which is known as Fibonacci retracement indicator. So this stock actually took support at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, and then it tried to break the 23.6 level, but it couldn't break, and then it came back to its 21-day EMA. So what can happen from here onwards is that it can again come back to the 50% level, then try to break the 38.2% and come back again at 61.8% level. So just like this. So it can come down, it can then try to go up and take resistance from the 38.2 levels and then come down at 61.8, and then this would be this deciding factor whether it is able to break the 50% value or not. If it can break the 50% value from here onwards, then well and good, or else it will take support at the 50-day EMA, which is this point. So these were the 5 stocks which I liked and which are on the verge of a very important points. I would try to keep this series alive on a weekly basis, and I would try to suggest 5 stocks on a week-to-week basis. And I advise you to take the help of a financial advisor before actually trading into these stocks. If you are investing, you have a very good scope of getting your value returned in the next 5 to 10 years. But if you are trading, then please consult your financial advisor.